Really?
You getting this? All right. Everybody, this is Zamzam water. Zamzam is a well in the holy city of Mecca. The prophet Abraham had built the Kaaba in the city of Mecca. That's that holy structure, the cube that you see everyone walking around. That is the Kaaba. When he came to Mecca, he left his wife Hagar and his son Ishmael alone in the desert. He said, "Don't worry about anything. God will take care of you." And he bounced. She was very distraught after some time, and she ran between two mountains. This is actually a part of the ritual of the Hajj and the Ummah, the two most sacred rituals in Islam, where she ran between these two mountains 7 times, hoping to find a caravan or something like this. And in desperation, she finally turned to God. She prayed, and the angel Gabriel came down and struck his foot onto the ground, and water began to gush from the sands. So much so that she screamed out Zam Zam, like this water, which literally means stop, stop. This well still goes forth today, so much so that over 3 million pilgrims will come to the city of Mecca every year, and each one can leave with as much Zam Zam water as they like. So God's promise is true.